Alright, good morning. So this is our vessel MV Filipinas Cagayan de Oro. So yung biyahe namin is Cebu to Cagayan de Oro. Umalis kami sa Cebu is 7 PM. So nagdock unsecured kami is 3:35 madaling araw. 3:35 AM. So yung pasahero namin is 116. So ito yung ano namin nasa likuran is MV to go Masagana. Right. So ayan, sabi nga nila ano daw maagang dumating yung barko namin. So we're here at the port of Cagayan de Oro City. So once again, thank you for watching and have a good day and God bless.